Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching VS Code and opening your project folder so the editor can index files and provide context-aware features. Once done, quickly enable the integrated terminal and Explorer for file navigation and commands. This reduces context switching. Make sure you install runtime dependencies like Node or Python if the project needs them, because extensions depend on those to lint and run. Now install 1 or 2 essential extensions for your language to get syntax. Next, configure the middle layer, language servers, linters, and formatters to enforce code quality and speed up editing. Once installed, open Settings, JSON and workspace settings, and set formatting rules, tab size, and lint rules so everyone on the project shares conventions. Configure the debugger launch, JSON for common run tasks, and adjust key bindings and snippets to automate repetitive edits. These steps reduce errors and save time during development, so take a moment to test lint and format on a sample file. Finally, run and debug your application using breakpoints and the debug panel to observe runtime behavior and fix logic errors. Once your code runs locally, use tasks and the integrated terminal to run builds, tests, and deployment scripts so the full workflow is validated. Commit changes in the source control view and push to remote. Make sure to pull first to avoid conflicts. If something breaks, restart the language server and check the output and problems panels to locate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.